Well, here's once again the Aerospeed model BX100 20-inch box fan. Not really much has changed about this fan. I've not really I haven't really demonstrated it that much. I've really been demonstrating my hair box fan. I've also been demonstrating the oscillating fans that I have, mostly. Yeah. So not much really has changed about it. You might know that I have that if you might know if you've seen my other videos on this fan, you'll know that sometimes this fan, well, there is one problem with it, and I'll show you guys that. First of all, I love how it has this wavy front and back grill, like this. It's not like straight like these ones are. That is a Lasco box fan. I'll make a video on that one too. It has these, I wouldn't say skinny blades. The one that has skinny blades would be the Utilitech box fan. One right there. It has this weird looking hub. It kind of looks a bit like a turbine. This one has a gray cord. This is nice, actually. The switch and the switch is on the left side of the fan. Actually, not the hair. Actually, also has the switch on the left. These are actually still in stock at Menards. I'm not sure where else they used to be sold, but I know that they are at Menards. So we have the motor with the cooling vent. The cooling vent on this one's actually very similar to the Lasco's cooling vent. It's not the same. This is the same cooling vent as the Holmes box fans. Like the Utilitech, they don't have the handrail at the top, they have them in the back. Like I said, and also the handle actually has the vents in it. That's kind of nice. There's the Aerospeed logo. Sometimes it falls over, but not as much as my other box fans do. So here's low speed. I don't know if I mentioned, but like I said, if I did mention, the switch is broken. Yeah. Like, for example, if I turn on to low speed, it's gonna turn off. Well, I have to hold the switch in order to put it on low speed. This is medium. I think it works fine on the other speeds, but low, it doesn't work. This is medium. No, okay, this is medium. This is high. I think I got a good breeze, actually. So, yeah, there it is. There's a second video on my Aerospeed box fan. Thanks for watching. Peace.